Howdy viewers, Bobby Brown out here on the range today, but today I'm not shooting, I'm actually flying this fun little SEMA X5C. This is an older bird that I bought some time ago, and you know, it's just a toy. It's light as a feather, but it flies great and it's a lot of fun. Recently we've been having some trouble with some hunters, some trespassers, bird hunting here. I've caught a few and they've been running their dogs and stuff. And I don't really have a problem with it, but without permission, it pisses me off. And believe it or not, the little camera that came with this thing is GoPro quality and it works pretty good. So I thought maybe since I can't get out in the woods on my four-wheeler and look around, I could at least go up and have a look-see with this thing. Now I haven't flown it in a while, so I'm going to attempt to fly it without the camera just to get used to it again. And then maybe someday I'll hook the camera to it and go. You can see it does have, it has red and green flight lights, which is kind of cool. So it's very similar to a Phantom. So it's a great trainer for that. And it's fairly easy to fly. I'm going to give it a try here. Let's fly by the camera here one time so you can have a good look. Here we go. And you can see it really is quite easy to fly. Alright, let's take a flight up through here. There we go, see? Well, you can see it's obviously easy. Hey! What? Hey, what the hell? Hey, what are you doing?